am the king lion today. Your lion sounds very funny. Look, I am a giant elephant. That elephant walks so slowly. Lions are stronger than elephants. Elephants are much bigger than lions. Here, but dogs are loyal, they're like superheroes.
What are you two talking about?
We are talking about animals.
I have a surprise for everyone.
Please tell us now, Dad.
We are going to the zoo today!
That is the best news ever! Ah! I want to see the elephants first. I want to see the lions first. Ah. Take these snacks with you. Thank you, Mom. Do not forget your water bottle. I already packed everything.
Everyone ready for the trip?
We are ready to go. Ha ha ha. I cannot wait any longer. Me neither. I am excited. Which animal will we see first? Maybe a monkey or a zebra? Look, I can see the zoo! Oh. We are finally here. The zoo looks so big. Let us go inside quickly. There are so many animals inside. I want to see all of them. Look, the monkeys are this way. Let us go there first. Those monkeys move very fast. They never stop climbing.
Monkeys have long arms and strong hands.
That helps them climb high trees. What does that monkey like to eat? Monkeys enjoy fruits like bananas. It copied me just now. Maybe it wants to be your friend. What animal is next? Yay! Let us visit the flamingos. They are so pink and pretty. They look like giant birds.
Flamingos often stand on one leg.
That looks difficult to do. I can do that too. Be careful, or you will fall. They use their beaks to find food. That is really interesting. Those stripes look amazing. They are black and white.
Every zebra has different stripes.
Just like fingerprints. What do zebras usually eat? They mostly eat grass and plants. I lost count of the stripes. There are way too many. They jump so far and fast. They never seem to walk.
Kangaroos have very strong back legs.
That helps them jump so high. There is a baby in the pouch. That is where young kangaroos stay. I can jump like that too. Not for very long. That bear is really huge. It looks very strong.
Bears have powerful claws and paws.
They can dig very easily. What do bears like to eat? They eat fruits, fish, and plants. It eats more than I do. Maybe it is still hungry. That tail is beautiful. It looks like a rainbow. Peacocks have colorful tail feathers. Oh, the colors are amazing. Why does it show its tail?
It does that to attract attention.
Look at my giant tail. You look very funny. Its neck is so long. It is taller than everything.
Giraffes use their long necks to reach leaves.
That helps them eat from tall trees. Its tongue is very long, too. That helps it grab leaves easily. That elephant is enormous. It is bigger than a car.
Elephants use their trunks every day.
It looks like a giant arm. Can it drink with its trunk? Yes, and it can pick things up too. Hey, it sprayed water on me. Now you need a shower too.
Crocodiles can stay still for a long time.
It is very good at hiding. Is that a real crocodile? It is not moving at all.
Hippos stay cool in the water.
Only their eyes are showing. Its mouth is gigantic. Hippos have very strong jaws. Look at my hippo mouth. It is still much smaller. They walk so funny. They look very cute.
Penguins cannot fly like most birds.
That surprises me. It swims so fast underwater. Penguins are excellent swimmers. These parrots are so colorful. They look like flying rainbows.
Parrots can copy sounds and words.
That sounds really cool. Hello, little parrot. Hello, little parrot. It copied my words. It sounds just like you. That tiger looks powerful. It looks like a giant cat.
Tigers have black stripes for camouflage.
That helps them hide better.
That's right.
What do tigers usually eat? They eat meat and hunt animals. Finally, I found the lion. It looks very majestic.
Male lions have large manes.
Wow! That mane looks impressive. That roar is so loud. Ah! Now it sounds like a king. Your king looks sleepy. Even kings need naps. That panda looks adorable. It is so fluffy.
Pandas love eating bamboo.
That is their favorite food. It keeps eating all day.
That panda really loves bamboo.
Take a picture of me. Oh, make a funny face. Okay. My ice cream fell down. That was so unexpected. At least you still have the cone. That is not very helpful. My favorite animal was the giraffe. Mine was still the lion.
Did everyone enjoy the zoo today?
It was the best zoo trip ever.